Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change billing dates on Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that, of course. And of course you need to go and subscribe to Netflix, as it is an application that needs a subscription and payment. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see in the top left corner, we have home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list, and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change billing dates on Netflix. So click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account. Then scroll down to the membership and billing section and click on change billing days. You can go to memberships on the left side of the screen. Also go click on manage payment method. Then after that, you just need to choose a date from the top from the drop down list. Click review and confirm to apply the changes. Just please note that changing your billing date may require you to pay for the gap between your current billing date and the new one immediately. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until the next one, bye guys.